Welcome back. Now, by placing the link for our mind map, while we are logged into Claude, into our browser, we're going to get this element where we can click this button that says Remix Artifact. What that's going to do is that's going to place the artifact into a conversation with us in order for us to iterate with this specific element. Now, in most cases, when you place the element inside of Claude, Claude will suggest elements in order to improve the document. Now, you may already have elements in what you want their artifact to be. And for the sake of this video, we're going to take 2 of Claude's suggestions. And as a practice, we're going to ask Claude to think step by step. This will give us clues on why and how Claude makes the choices that it does. And Claude will first start with its rationale, which it has given us. It will now undertake the process of redoing our artifact. And so what you now see is a different element that we have here. And it's clickable. And we can use it as is. Now, one of the things we can do in order to iterate with this particular element is we can go back now and we can get the 3rd element. So whether we have an improvement or we want to use the improvements from Claude, we can iterate with this element. And Claude will undertake the remix and to continue to improve our artifact. And what you'll see here is now that Claude has undertaken its suggestion. And you can continue to iterate in this conversation about this artifact. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.